This is how to choose crystals for your collection. Let's get rock hard. Okay guys, so I almost didn't want to make this video because I can understand how difficult it is to choose which crystals to bring home. I want all of them, but I realize that as much as you might want to, it's not realistic to bring home every crystal all at once. So I'm going to offer some suggestions to make it easier for you to start your collection. The first thing you should ask yourself is, why are you starting a crystal collection? Do you want to start a healing journey? Are you looking for love? Are you using them to meditate? Do you just think crystals are beautiful and look cool and want them in your space? Do you just kind of make people uncomfortable? There is no right or wrong answer to this question, but it's a good thing to ask because it can help you narrow down which crystals to start with. The color of each crystal represents something different. If you're looking for something specific, like finding balance or love, the specific gem you choose and the color of it will target different areas of your body and life. I'd encourage you to think about the color palette you like, because there is sure to be something available in the color you want, and that can help add focus to your collection. You'll also feel good every time you see a crystal you choose and love. So most of these pieces on the table here are my personal pieces, and I'm a very visual person, and I'm attracted to a lot of the qualities that these have visually. And also the spiritual elements are very important to me as well. These are all very rare spiritual pieces. Spirit quartz, this is amethyst from a specific mine in Turkey that's very small, and so that makes the crystal itself very special. This is also from a small mine pocket, and it has a bunch of record keepers on the crystals, and these little tiny things that I notice as a crystal owner makes these pieces stand out to me, and that's why I add them. You might be surprised by which crystals naturally speak to you. You might be looking for a red healing crystal, but then find yourself naturally pulled towards a sapphire instead. Often our body knows best, so I would encourage you to listen to what your intuition is trying to tell you, as it's likely that the crystal you feel a natural pull towards is the exact crystal you'll need in the moment. One day, I'll make a video teaching how to present your crystals, because organizing and designing how they look together is one of my favorite parts about having crystals. I think starting a crystal collection is so much fun, and I'm so excited for you. Remember that there's no rush. Buying one crystal you love is an amazing way to start your collection, and buying them slowly gives you time to really explore each one and see what it adds to your life. And one day you'll have a whole assortment that you've mindfully grown piece by piece. To mindfully grow some more, rock that subscribe button on my OnlyFans at onlyfans.com/rockhard.